Hello, good morning once again. My name is Richmond, and today I'm here to teach you how to use a feature in Desmos called the graphing calculator to draw a beautiful image using mathematical equations like equation of lines, equation of circle, equation of a straight line, equalities, and stuff. So I love this calculator because as a math teacher, I love playing with equations. So how do you make equations beautiful for students who love to learn mathematics? So we want to make use of these equations for artwork. That's why I'm trying to use this feature to demonstrate to you how we can use these equations to draw or to bring out a meaningful picture of something in mathematics. So let's start the first equation, x equals to 2. But with this equation, I will restrict the boundaries from 2 less or equal to y less or equal to, let's say, 6. So I may have another equation of the form x equals to 8, the same boundary condition from 2 less than or equal to y less than or equal to another 6. So I can also have another equation of the form y equals to 2. All right, so that one too, we can also put the boundary conditions as from 2. Since I'm starting with y, I was condition from what? X. So x less than or equal to, let's say, 8. All right, so let's have another equation of the form y equals to 6. Y equals to 6, and the conditions from here we have from negative 2 less or equal to x less or equal to 12. So another equation will come of this form, y equals to y equals 6.3. For the boundaries, we have negative from negative 2 less or equal to x less or equal to, let's say, 12. All right, so you can also have another one that will be equation of a straight line on the form y equals to 5 on 13 x plus 87 on 13 for the boundary conditions negative 2 less or equal to x less or equal to 4.6. Okay, so I also have another equation of the form y equals to negative 3.5 on 10 x plus 111 on 11 for the boundary conditions from 4.6 less or equal to x, sorry, less or equal to x less or equal to let's say 11.6. Okay, so with this, let's see how what you have drawn so far. Okay, we can bring it back. You can drag the screen to see what you have put up. Now I have this nice heart drawn for a village scene. So we can just look at this picture telling you that you are drawing a very nice house with equations in mathematics. So okay, let's add more equations. Let's put a boundary conditions on this end. So also let's say that let's put x equals to negative 2. But here we'll show that this line from 6 less or equal to y less or equal to, let's say, 6.3. So we'll do the same thing for the other end, x equals to 12. The same boundary conditions from 6 less or equal to y less or equal to 6.3. All right, so we've seen this equation. So we have seen the boundaries have been ended. All right, so we can also write an equation of a circle to depict a sky or a sun brighten up to the building. So you can have an equation of the form, an equation of the form, an equation of the form x minus 8 power 2 plus also have y minus 12 power maybe 2 equals, sorry, equals let's say 3. So that'll be equation of a circle. Sun, the sky, you can see it. Yep, yep, that's nice. So that's the sky up there. So we can do a lot of things with these equations. So let's try and see we can put this color, we can change this color. We can change this color here by click on the lines. You can let it be there. So let's change the color to be this. I can increase the thickness to be 6 or let's say 18, make it nicer. It's too much, make it 15 or 14. It's okay. And I can put some sort of sky color up there. So let's use the Daily quality equation of the form y greater than or equal to, let's say, 10. All right. And the boundary condition from negative 13 less than or equal to, let's say, x less than or equal to, let's say, 13. So let's reduce this fonts and see what you have done so far. Or I can make it this a little bit longer. On the side, I can make it maybe 14 or let's say 16 for it to be there. And then I can also have the conditions, make it a little bit up sky so that I can have a condition from negative 13 on the sorry on the y axis go to the 16. So we have this way, but the color, no, the sea color, can make it a twilight color. Can color it, make it this way. Yep. And then the circle here, yep. So the thickness, the light color should be thickness, and then I can put the equation of circle. I can make it red. The sun was red. I'll make it red in it. Try to be nicer in it, and then buildings up there. We can put some grass on the building, behind the building. So let's put some grass on the building. Let's write the equation y equal to sine into bracket, sine into bracket 3. Let's say 0.3 x, right, plus 10 plus, okay, 1 up there. So make it a bit 3, or I can make it 1 this way. But you can put it up. That's 10 up there. You can put this there, 3 up. Mountainous should be like a mountain. You can put some restriction there too. You can have a restriction of from minus 13 less than or equal to x less than or equal to, let's say, 16 up there. So you have it this way. So the mountain club up from the direction. So I can reduce this equation of a line. Equation of a line. I can right click on it, the lines, then the thickness, I can make it 0.2. The skies, darken sky, let's say, can have this glaring stuff. You get it? Can have this glaring stuff, and you can have the floor to be brown. So you can write an equation, the floor to be brown y, let's say, less than or equal to, let's say, 5. Sorry, less than or equal to say 5 or 1 or 2. Okay. And then the registration from up there can have from negative 15 less than or equal to x less than or equal to, let's say, 16. Okay. And then the same down there, negative 15 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 16. So can reduce this equation, is it to 1? Yes, so that's the floor will look like this for the green grass. So you have to, so let's make it 1 to 16. So that's the green grass carpet. So I have this equation. So we can have something like this. We can also make this line a colorful one. That's can make it a thicker one like 2.0. Can make it 4. Can make it 10, 9, 8, 9, 7. Then the transparency can have the dotted lines. Can have this. Can have this. But you can put up a nice color to reduce the thickness. 0.5 inside there. And the color, this one should be brown. It's in the brown there. So we can call for color brown, but that'll be another topic for the day. How to call colors to use them in this regard. So we can let's do with this down here. Should make it a bit greener. Yes, it's olive green. So you can choose another green line and then faint, make it a fifth the line faint one, 0.5 to olive green line. So we can let's look at how beautiful our drawing is somebody's compound. You can see that the compound is nice. So let's try and then make it nicer by doing with the grades to see what we have done so far. The axis numbers to go. So once you look at it again, let's see what I've done. So it's not nice. So these equations can be used to draw something meaningful in mathematics. So that's why I love this graphing calculator in Desmos because it gives you an idea of how to use equations to come up with beautiful pictures, beautiful images for people to understand that mathematics can be used at all levels, arts, engineering, science, and everywhere. So regardless of how you understand inequalities, understanding the principle of mathematics, you can do things with these equations. So today you have learned how to put out something in mathematics, and the next lessons we learn how to color or color on color to use to color these beautiful scenes, put a lot of features in it, make it nicer than before. Thank you very much, and I know you have learned something today. Bye bye.